TF series mixers have an amazing total of 8 SPX effects processors, which have also been installed in many other Yamaha professional digital mixers and have been making sound engineers happy for a long time. 2 of the 8 processors are available as Global Effects 1 and 2, with dedicated buses and dedicated controllers on the top panel. When you want to adjust the effect type and the parameters, pushing this Edit button takes you directly to the Effect Edit screen. Altogether, there are 17 types of effect. Here, you can adjust basic parameters such as reverb time or more detailed parameters. The global effects are directly mixed into the stereo bus after adjusting the level with the encoders. The other 6 processors are already inserted into the stereo aux buses. These 6 effects can be used as insert effects for adding reverb or delay to in-ear monitors, or by mixing them into the main stereo bus, they can be used as additional send and return effect processors. These effects can all be turned on and off together with the effects mute switch located on the top panel. It's great for stopping the reverb and echoes when the singer is talking in between songs. Of course, there is a mute safe feature that excludes certain effects from being affected by the effects mute switch. For example, keep the multiband compressor for in-ear monitors enabled at all times. It's just great having so many effects ready to use, and it's so easy to get highly professional sounding results. That's the beauty of these TF mixers.